The weather is still quite miserable, so I decided to cheer myself up and make some chicken tacos. So lovely. The chicken is juicy and delicious, lots of spices in it. And I bought some ready taco shells, which would be great and make it easy for me, and lots of little sides to make it more delicious. To prepare the salsa, I have got a red pepper, a couple of tomatoes, and one red onion, and I'm just going to finely chop all of this. So to this chopped up onions, tomatoes and peppers, I'm going to add a few things. Got half a teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, a chili powder to taste, a tablespoon of olive oil, a good handful of fresh chopped up coriander leaves, and just some lime juice. Half a lime should be good. And then we just mix it up. Smells really refreshing and just lovely. That's our salsa ready. Next, I'm going to make the guacamole, and for that I've got, of course, avocado, some lime, tomato, and a small red onion. In goes a teaspoon of half a teaspoon of garlic salt. You can add fresh garlic and normal salt. I'm trying to put it together, and then I'm going to add lime juice. So I've used a whole lime here, and I'm just using a fork to mash up the avocado. And here is your lovely fresh guacamole ready. Here I have got chicken thighs, and I've cut it into thin strips. It's around 600 grams in total. And now I'm going to add the spices. A teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin, a teaspoon of garlic salt, a good pinch of black pepper, and 100 grams of passata. And half a teaspoon of dried oregano. And all that's left to do is just mix it well. Make sure all the chicken is coated properly in our lovely marinade. I'm going to let it rest in the fridge for half an hour. You can leave it for more time if you have more time. Just a hot pan and some sunflower oil. Now goes in our marinated chicken. And a couple of minutes in, I'm going to turn these over. Now cook on the other side for another 2-3 minutes until it's cooked. The chicken has cooked through and it smells amazing. Beautifully piping hot chicken. So we've got all the elements ready. I have got some ready corn taco shells. Yeah, and all I have to do is put everything together, which is the fun part. So here we go. Oops, come on now, come on. There. Right, so the first thing to go in is I'm just going to, with my hand, just shred up the chicken. Oh, I just want to eat it like just like this. I just want to snack on this chicken, to be honest. But I will be patient and just wait for a few minutes. It just took literally 4-5 minutes to cook, and it was ready because it's really nice soft chicken thighs. Right, that's it. And the next thing I'm going to add is a little bit of guacamole. Lovely. Once you've got everything ready, you can just assemble it when you are ready to eat. So that's in. I'm going to try one last time to, yeah. Then I've got the salsa. Ooh, this is going to be delicious. Of course, you can add lots of chili flakes, fresh chilies. But I have kept that to a minimum because it's got enough chili for the kids. Right. And now I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream, because why not? Look. Just a few chili flakes and a little bit of, oops, bits of coriander. And there you have it. Chicken tacos ready. And I am going to dig in. It's not very pretty eating, I'm afraid. It's not pretty eating, but it's delicious eating. Oh, it's so good. That chicken is absolutely divine. So lovely. And you know, all these things are adding lots of flavor and freshness and crunch to it. So I really hope you're going to give this a go. Hope you will enjoy it. Leave me a comment and I'll see you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.